Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, welcome to our talk show. And today we are going to talk about what we need to prepare before we join senior high school. And today I'm Muhammad Wibowo as your host. And here we have three guests that will accompany us in this talk show. So, for our guests, please to introduce yourself.
Okay, so I will introduce myself. My name is Alif Satria Mandala Kusuma. I'm from 11th grade in RPL in IDN Boarding School Solo.
Okay. So the first guest is Alif, and the second guest.
Yeah, let me introduce myself. My name is Nufail, just call me Nufa. I'm from 11th grade RPL at IDN Boarding School Solo.
Okay, the second guest that we have is Mr. Nufail, and the last guest.
Okay, let me introduce. My name is Givari Atala. You can call me Givari. So, I'm from 11 RPL in IDN Boarding School Solo.
Okay, so the guest that we have here, there is Mr. Alif, Mr. Nufail, and Mr. Givari. So, as I tell you before, that the topic that we will talk today is the thing that we need to prepare before we join senior high school. Okay, we start from our first guest, Mr. Alif.
Yes.
What do you think? What we need to prepare before we join the senior high school?
Okay, for the first is time management. Why? Because time management is very important. With the time, you can use all. Maybe you want to be more smart with the study, with your time, and then with time, it's really important because if you waste your time for a negative, maybe it will broke your future. Why? Because you cannot purchase or buy the time for some lot of money. Maybe you have 1 million, 1 billion, or maybe 10 billion. You cannot purchase your all money for the time. That's why you must using your time for a good, like maybe study, and then you can use for learn about IT or anything, like maybe for the future, for your future. And then I will like story about my junior high school when I was in 8th grade. I'm using my time for a play game. That is a bad choose because that is the bad choose because after that I only like study for the exam is like a last minute. Maybe the exam is maybe 2 weeks again. So I studied before the exam. So after that, when the exam is coming, I like frustration because the material I don't know. So maybe you guys can use your time for a good like studying for the exam. Maybe if your exam is 3 week left, maybe you can study like 1 hour or 2 hour, and then after that you can study more with maybe in the second week you can study like more like 4 hour until 5, and the last you can maximum your time for the exam because the exam is very important for your future. Maybe if you want go to college in the other country, maybe like Australia or Singapore, NUS, like NUS, Harvard and Columbia. Nah, you can use your time for study. Why? Because study is more important than you play game. Because after you play game, maybe you will get emotional, and if you study, maybe you can get a good more future. Okay, maybe that's all for me.
Okay, thank you so much for Mr. Alif for your opinion. The knowledge that I take from Alif is we need to spend our time in a good or in a positive, everything that's positive for us. And however, if we have lot of money, we cannot buy the time. So we need to use our time wisely, guys. So the first thing that you need to prepare and you need to manage is your time. Remember that. And the second, we move to our second guest, Mr. Nufail.
Yes.
What do you think? What we need to prepare for our senior high school?
Yeah, maybe this a big one for me. Yeah, and for the Bawa question, maybe I will answer with the topic about self-confidence. Why I choose the topic is self-confidence? Because is we not if we not prepare to our self-confidence, we will be cannot to adaptation for our new environment, for our new friends, our new anything. And maybe for this, I will give the example. That's my experience in junior high school, because at junior high school before I'm not prepare my self confidence, because when I go to junior high school, I get the COVID generation. Yes, as we know lah, the COVID generation is very bad. We cannot to learn, we cannot to study, we cannot all we need to online like daring in home, and because that I cannot to prepare for my self confidence, and because that is I'm in junior high school, I cannot to focus on the lesson in the class. And yes, this very bad, because if you not prepare yourself and you cannot to confidence of yourself, you will be silent every time. Maybe if me in my experience, I'm silent, I just silent every time, everywhere because and yeah, because that I cannot do adaptation, I cannot get to friends, I cannot get to listen, because I get the COVID generation. And yeah, because that is important for you all and for us. For maybe for us, we can prepare to our self confidence to next grade, maybe to university and other. And you all, this message for you all, prepare your self confidence. It's very important, guys. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Nufail, for the knowledge. So, guys, the thing that I take from Nufail's statement is, after we manage our time, we can manage every time that we have So we need to be confident with ourselves, because with that we can do whatever we want. We can have a lot of friends, good environment, and everything else. So you also need to prepare your confidence. Okay. Okay. The last, Mr. Givari, what about your argument?
Yeah, it's too simple about my argument. That is like friendship. So before I go to IDN International High School, in 7th grade I didn't have many friend, because my self confidence is too less than my friend, and then have friend is important. Then you have can link from your friend, like from your friend is from Sumatra, you can have a link from your friend. So you have many friends in your life. It's important. Then you go to have self confidence too. Like Mas Novail said, is self confidence is important. Yeah, after you have self confidence is important. Then you have many friends. Like in 9th grade, I was until I have many friends. So if you didn't have many friends, is too short for your link. And then is have friend is too important, because what in university, after you can do it in senior high school, you have in university is too important, because what in university, have a friend is too important, because that's your friend is cannot like to have the friendship or your best friend that is not getting in university, because what in university your friend is like circle, you have a friend, but your friend is doing in circle in other your friends. So have your friend like other like your friend is can to getting your friend is important. Yeah.
Okay, so the last knowledge that we get is we need to aware about our friendship. However, how introvert you are, you need a friend, bro, because human is not an individual thing. They need friend, they need someone to talk, and they need someone to share. Okay, so the thing that we can the conclusion that we can take is, the first, we need to manage our time. The second, we have to be confident with ourselves, and the last is we need to aware about our friendship. So maybe that's all for our talk show. Thank you so much for our guest. And maybe the last I say, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.